This how to 1 minute will show you how to generate CSR in Godaddy. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to generate your CSR code. First of all, open Godaddy website and log into your account. Now click on your profile. Click on My Products. Here, click on Web Hosting and click on Manage. And we have to open our cPanel admin. So click on cPanel admin. Once you are in your cPanels, click on the search box and type here SSL and click on SSL/TLS. And here you will get this option, Certificate Signing Request CSR. So you have to click on Generate, View or Delete SSL Certificate Signing Request. Once you are here, enter here your domains. Enter here your domain, enter here your city, enter your state, select your country, enter here your company, and you can add your email and then click on Generate. And as you can see, my CSR code has been successfully generated. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.